In this video, I will show you how to connect your viewboard to a laptop computer. This will allow you to display video and transmit sound from an external device onto your board. In order for us to connect our laptop to the board, we need to locate our HDMI and USB cables. First, we have the HDMI cable. Remember, the HDMI cable is pretty common. It's what we use on our TVs at home, and it connects to our cable boxes as well. The second cable is the USB touch cable. One side is more rectangular, and it will connect to your laptop. The other side is going to be shaped like a square, and it connects to the board. I'm going to connect both of these cables to the viewboard and then to the laptop. So the HDMI cable is going to plug into the HDMI 1 port on the side of the viewboard. Our touch cable is going to plug into the touch 1 port on the side of the viewboard. You may notice there's also a touch 2 port. It's very important that you don't plug your USB cable into touch 2 or we won't have touch. Touch 1 and HDMI 1 are also both blue. Remember, blue and blue go together. Now that we have our cables in the board, we need to connect them to our laptop. So let's locate our HDMI and USB ports on our laptop. First, let's plug in our HDMI cable. Next, let's plug in our USB cable. Something that happens when you first connect your device to the board is it automatically switches to the active input. That being said, if you ever accidentally hit the home button, again, which is located in a control panel next to the power button, what that does is it switches from our laptop and takes us back to the viewboard operating system. So, there's two ways you can get back to your laptop. One is you can choose HDMI 1 on the bottom left, because remember, that's where we're plugged into, HDMI 1. And if I touch that, you'll see it takes me back to my laptop. Let's press the home button again so we're back at the viewboard operating system. Another way that I can switch is if I go to settings. The settings cogwheel is one of the buttons in the control panel, and it's going to open up a list of inputs over on the right. You can see that I'm currently on the viewboard operating system, and HDMI 1 is an option. Now the difference here is that if I touch HDMI 1 once, like this, it's going to show a preview, but I actually have to touch it again to switch. So watch, if I touch it again, you'll see that it takes me to my laptop. Again, there's two ways to switch inputs. Either touch the HDMI 1 in the bottom left corner, or you can go to the settings and on a list, you'll see a list of different inputs. Touch HDMI once to preview it and touch it again to actually have it switch to your laptop. So now that you've seen me connect my laptop to the viewboard, why don't you give it a try? Remember, use both cables, and if you need to, switch inputs so that your laptop is being displayed.